Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be introducing to you guys a new crypto mining project. This crypto mining project began about a week ago, so we are actually early. We're among the first miners who are going to be mining at a good rate, and this new crypto mining project is similar to Pi Network. So if you actually mine the Pi token, you can easily navigate your way through this new crypto mining project platform. What's the name? The name of this new crypto mining project is called TCC Network. TCC Network is a new cryptocurrency project that offers a unique opportunity for users to mine free TCC tokens through its airdrop mining app. Similar to Pi Network, TCC Network allows users to contribute to the network's security and growth by mining tokens using a mobile app. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of mining free TCC tokens using your TCC Network's airdrop mining app. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So let's get started. Guys, as you can see on the screen, let me zoom in so you see it clearly. You can see what's written there: mine before the next halving. As you can see right here, if you're to start mining on this TCC network, you're going to be mining at the rate of 0.8 TCC token per hour. So if you have to start mining right now, you're going to be mining at the rate of 0.8 TCC token per hour, which is the highest mining rate. So guys, what this graphic image represents is that the more people join this platform, the more the mining rate is going to reduce. You can see right there, if there are just 1 million miners, they're going to be mining at 0.8 TCC token per hour. But if they increase to 10 million, it's going to be halved. It's going to be divided into two. So you are going to be mining at 0.4 TCC token per hour. Then if the miners get to 50 million, it's going to be reduced to 0.2 TCC token per hour. So the more people join this mining platform, the lesser the mining rate. So the advantage you're having right now is that you're going to be starting early. We're actually starting early. So what you have to do right away is to go ahead now to use the registration link. The registration link is right there in the description of this video, or you can go over to the comment section, tap on the link. They'll be able to create your account so you can start on mining this TCC token. The earlier you start, the better mining rate you're going to get. So what this means is that the more you delay, the lesser the mining rate you're going to be getting or mining on this platform. So as the users increase from 1 million to 10 million, the mining rate is going to be divided by 2. So as they increase also from 10 million to 50 million, it's going to be divided to 2 as well. So that's the trend it's going to be taking. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to show you guys how you can create your TCC network account so you can start mining as quick as possible. So once you tap on the registration link down there in the description of this video or in the comment section, you're going to be brought to this platform. You can see what it looks like. This is where you're going to be brought to. So this is where you have to input your personal details. You can see right there, you have to input your first name, middle name, last name. You have to input your username. That's the username you're going to be using on this platform. And also you have to create a password, and also you have to input your email address and phone number, and then finally you have to input the invitation code. But if you actually use my registration link, you're going to see that my invitation code will be there, right there. It will be written there automatically. So that's how it works. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to input all of these details. They're actually easy, and what you have to take note is that if you're inputting your username, make sure all the character you're going to use are small letters. Make sure they are initial letters, that means small letters. So guys, let me go ahead now to input all of my details real quick. Right there guys, you can see I've inputted all of my details: my name, last name, middle name, username, password, email address, and phone number. And what I will do now is to go ahead now to tap on where you can see sign up. You can see down there. So let me tap on sign up real quick. So guys, now by doing this now, you've been able now to create your TCC network account. So now for you to start mining, what you can simply do next is to tap on where the arrow is pointing. You can see that that mining rate icon, the power icon. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see mining. You can see now it's logging us out. Let's see what is going to happen. So it wants us to actually log into our account using our username and password. You can see where it is written my account. That's where you have to input your username, then type password. You have to input your password. So let me go ahead now to do that. Right there guys, you can see I've inputted my username and password. So let me go ahead now to tap on OK to log in. You can see now it's loading up. Wow guys, can now see now I've started mining my TCC token. You can see it right there at the top. You can see it right there. I've been logged in and the mining have already started. So guys, what I'll do now is to go ahead now to show you how you can navigate on this app, how you can find your way around this app. Let me start by showing you guys how you can find your mining info. So let me tap on that icon right there, the mining icon. Let me tap on it. Right here guys is your mining info. You're going to see your mining rate and how your reward is being calculated. To see your recent transactions, what you have to do is to tap on where you can see view recent transaction. Right here is my recent transaction. You can see I just received 3.840 TCC token for actually using the registration link. So now let me cancel out of this. Let me cancel out. Let me show you guys other things. So let me tap on where you can see mainnet info. You can see now mainnet checklist is coming soon. You can see it right there, coming soon. So now for you to invite your friends, what you can do is you tap on where you can say invite. Let me tap on it. So you can see these are the different options. You can share it to various social media platforms. So let me share it now. Where am I going to share it? Facebook or WhatsApp? Let me use my WhatsApp. So let me tap on WhatsApp. You can see now it's directing me now to my WhatsApp. So what I will do now is to select one contact. Let me tap on it to select one. Then let me tap on send. Right there guys, can see that's my referral link. You can see it right there. That's the TCC Network referral link. So let me send it. You can see it. You can go ahead now to copy it and send it to other persons on different social media platforms. Just copy it right there, then you're good to go. So what I'm going to do now is to go back now to the mining platform. Let me go back. Right here, we are back here now. Let me show you guys other things. Let me tap on the menu icon at the top left. You can see it right there. Let me tap on it. We're going to be seeing more features right there. You can see we have the home, mainnet, we have the TCC transfer, mine TCC, referral team, rules, chat, node, FAQ, the white paper, support, and profile. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to show you guys how you can download the TCC Network app into your phone so you can better access it quickly. For you to do that, you have to tap on where you can see profile. You can see it right there. Let me tap on profile. So guys can see right here we have two links right there. The first one is for those using iOS device like iPhone, while the second one right there is for Android users. So I'm using Android. Let me go for the second one, which is right there. So now for you to actually download it, what you have to do now is to highlight the link. So let me highlight it real quick. You have to highlight it. Let me highlight it. So you can see now you can either tap on where you can see that Chrome icon. You can see it right there. Tap on the Chrome icon then to start downloading, or you can either copy it then go over to your Chrome browser, paste it right there and search it out and then download it. But let me first of all try out the Chrome. Let me tap on that Chrome icon. Let me open it with the Chrome. Let me tap on it to show you guys how you can download using this first method. Let me tap on it. You can see guys now what you can do now is to tap on where you can see download anyways, then to be downloaded into your phone. Let me go back now. Let me show you guys the second method. So let me highlight it, then let me copy the link right away. Then let me go over to my Chrome browser. Let me open it up. Then let me paste the link right away. Let me paste it. Then let me tap on search. You can see guys that I've started downloading. You can see it right there, downloading files. Let me tap on it so we see the details. You can see the app right there is downloading. You can see APK, that's the TCC Network app, is downloading. So what you have to do is to wait till it's done downloading. But let me go back now to the TCC platform. I want to use the Chrome browser link right there. So let me highlight, then let me tap on the Chrome icon right there. Let me tap on it to open it up. Then let me tap on download anyways. This is the method I want to use. You can see guys it's downloading. So let me tap on it again to view it. You can see it's right there, downloading file. So let me tap on it. You can see it's right there, it's downloading. So let's just use a few seconds for it to get done downloading. Then after that, we're going to go ahead now to use the app. You can see guys it's loading up. So let's just wait. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now you can see it's almost done downloading. Let's just wait. Wow guys, can see the app is done downloading now. So let me tap on it now so I can install it. Let me tap on it real quick. You can see guys, do you want to install this app? So let me tap on install. You can see guys it's installing. So let's wait a few seconds. It's going to take some few seconds depending on the type of phone you're using. Wow guys, can see it's almost done. So it's actually scanning the app for security reasons. You can see guys, so let me just wait a few seconds again. So guys, now you can see it's done scanning it and the app has been installed. So let me go back now to my home screen. Let me look for the TCC Network app. Where is it? Right there guys, can see it. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it now to open it. Let me tap on it real quick. You can see guys the TCC app is opening. So let me tap on allow. You can see it's opening up. So guys, now we are required to log in again using our login details. So let me go ahead now to input my username and password. Then let me tap on OK. So guys, now you can see we have been logged in now in the app. We have our account now logged in. You can see it is still mining at the top. You can see the TCC token loading. It is actually reading. So guys, now let me tap on the menu icon. You can see they all have the same features. The website and the app, they all have the same features, so you can have your way. So guys, now what I've shown you right now are the basic things that you need to know. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to end this video, but you don't have to bother about anything. I'm going to be making videos about this airdrop. I'm going to give you guys updates. So what you have to do is to make sure you're engaged with my platform, with this my YouTube channel, and also you can join my my WhatsApp group, my Telegram group, so that you can get updated, so you can get to chat with me directly. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can mine on this TCC network, how you can actually create an account. So what you have to do now is to go ahead now to the description of this video, or you can go over to the comment section, tap on the registration link, so you can create your account and start mining at the highest rate that you can. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.